Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to find wallet address on Binance app. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to provide your email address and your password, and you simply need to log in into your account. Now once you've successfully logged in, you need to tap on the deposit tab on the home page. But if you are not able to find the deposit tab on the home page, then you need to tap on wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then tap on the deposit option. This will land you on this page where you are going to see all of the cryptos that you can purchase on Binance app. Now among these cryptos, you will have to select that particular crypto, the wallet address of which you want to find. Let's say you want to find the wallet address of AVAX. So you will have to tap on AVAX and then it will ask you to choose the network. So among the given networks option, you can choose any of these. So let's say I want to choose AVAX C chain. So after choosing it, it is showing me the QR code as well as the deposit address. So this is basically the deposit address or the wallet address on this is basically the wallet address of Avalanche on Binance. Similarly, if you want to get the wallet address of any other coin, let's say you want to get it of Solana, so you will have to use the search bar in the top and you will have to search for Solana. Then again it will ask you to choose the network. So let's say I want to choose the Solana network. So it is showing me the QR code as well as the deposit address of Solana. So this address is basically the wallet address. So you can share this wallet address to any other person and you can deposit that particular crypto in your Binance application. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.